Hi everyone, welcome to Er.AD Learning. Today we are going to learn about getting started in AutoCAD, setting up your workspace, your tool palettes, and making the interface actually works for you. Alright, so think about this. Imagine you just started a new job on site and someone hand you a toolbox, but every single tool is just thrown in there, mixed together with no order at all. You need a spanner, but you are digging through hammer and tape measures to find it. Frustrating, right? That's exactly what we are fixing today. Once you open the AutoCAD, you will have this interface and you can either open the file or create new one. For today, I'm going to create new one. Once you click on new, it will create a new window. You can see the interface as similar to Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but all the tools and panels are different. So before you start anything, you can see on the top there is a quick access bar. So from here you can customize which tools to display in the bar. I'm going to turn on the workspace so that you can analyze whether you are in 2D or 3D interface. So for 2D you will choose drafting and annotation. If you need to model for 3D, you will select from here. So now let's have a look at tab and panels that holds all the tool. The top bar that contains home, insert, annotate are called tab. All those tab have panels like drawer panels, modified panels, annotates, and each of those panels have several tools. As you can see, line, polyline, circle are the tools that are on the draw panels, and on annotation there is text and dimension and so on. If you go in the insert tab, you can see there are several tools to import drawings, blocks and pictures and many more, and you can explore the remaining tabs as you go. Before you start drawing, there are few things to set up. Those are unit, limit, dimension and option. To set up unit, you need to type UN and you can hit enter or space, and the unit dialog box will open. You can change the type of the unit according to your choice, whether you want decimal, architecture, engineering. I would prefer decimal for now, and I'd like the precision to be 2 decimal unit, and also I'd like to change my measurement scale from millimeter to meter, so it would be easy for me. And then for limit, you need to hit LIM and enter, and for the limit you need to specify the origin, that is normally 0,0, and press enter. And for the boundaries you need to enter the higher point, and for now that would be 500 meter, 500, and you can hit the enter. So that's for the limit. And now for dimension style, you have to type D and space, and there are already few dimension style that exist. You can either set one of them, create new, or modify them. I'd like to create new, and you can name your style and you can choose style you want to start with. So I choose standard for now and continue. And from here you can modify several things: your line, style, symbol, arrow, text, feet, even the primary units you can change from here. And whatever change you make is displayed on this small black box. So if I change the arrow size like from 0.18 to let's say 0.9, so it shows the change, and hit enter. You can see in the black box all the changes. So I like it same for now and press OK. And to set the style, you need to select that one and set it as a set current, and now it's set. And you can close this one, And next is for option, you have to type OP and space or enter. And from here there are several settings you can change. I'll show you few one that matters. And you can change the theme from here, from dark to light, and it will change the color of your tab and panels on the top. I would like the dark. And you can change the display of click the color, and you can change the color of the element on your interface, like background, crosshair, viewport, control, grid. I would like to change the background from black. Let's make it white as other normal softwares, and apply, and you can see the background is changed. And you can also change the crosshair size from, you can just slide this button. I'll just make around 10, 11, that's fine for me. And another setting I would like to change is drafting, and you can change the auto snap size and aperture size according to your desire, and you just hit apply and OK. And as you can see, this small box sometimes a bit irritating, so you can turn them on and off by pressing F7. Now you can start drawing. Select the line and you can continue your drawing. If this helped you out, please give it a like. Thank you.